Hey, what's up and welcome. This is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite and I'm going to do a quick review of this device. So without further ado, let us begin. There's a big change in the design of the Note 10 Lite when compared to the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. The camera module is now an L shape in a rectangle as opposed to the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus that have their cameras aligned vertically. The selfie camera retains its position at the top center of the phone. From the look of things, you could say that they adopted the 2020 Galaxy series design. It is sleek and it has no audio jack. The display is a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with 1080p by 2400 pixels resolution. It runs on Android 10 and One UI 2.0. There is the under-display optical fingerprint reader, a 4500 mAh battery, and it is capable of 25-watt fast charging with USB Type-C port. It weighs about 199 grams. The SIM card tray can take 2 nano SIM cards and a micro SD card that uses shared SIM card slots. Its chipset is the Exynos 9810 10nm chipset with octa-core CPU, and the GPU is the Mali G72 MP18 GPU. The internal storage is a 6GB of RAM and 128GB of ROM, although there is also a variant that comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of ROM. The rear camera is a 12MP main lens, 12MP telephoto lens, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens with the LED flash. The selfie camera is a 32MP lens that supports shooting at 2160p at 30fps and 1080p at 30, 60 or 240 fps. The price of the Note 10 Lite is about $550 or about 200,000 naira in Nigeria. So what's your take on this device? Leave it in the comment section below. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon because it means a lot to me, okay? Thanks for watching. My name is Peace and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.